Introducing the Roidme F8 Storm Cordless Vacuum, the world's first intelligent high-performance vacuum cleaner. With a variety of nozzles to adapt to any carpet or floor, the F8 uses powerful suction technology powered by a 100,000 RPM digital motor to get rid of all that excess dirt and dust cluttering up your home. With our modularized design, you can now easily switch between multiple brush heads to meet all your cleaning needs. Using the specially designed crevice tool and soft dusting brush, the F8 can deal with any couch, any situation, at any time. With 3 power modes, the F8 can clean up to 55 minutes and as much as 4,000 square feet without charging, with enough operating power to clean all around your home. With Bluetooth technology, you can connect the F8 to your smartphone, check battery usage, filter capacity, and surprisingly, even know how many calories you've burned off working out on the Roidme. The one-touch separated dust cup design allows you to empty the dust easily and quickly, with no need to touch the dirt. We all like a relaxing home life, but life's full of surprises. With the help of the Roidme F8, problems like these are quickly sucked away. Because your future cordless vacuum cleaner uses powerful suction technology to clean your home super efficiently, giving you and your family a happy, clean home.
Lift away, now with game-changing Duo Clean. 2 brush bars working in unison, so you can grab large particles, pull in piles, and directly engage with floors. Now you have Duo Clean for deep cleaning. Powered lift away to easily reach under furniture, and continuous power to the unique motorized brushes. Plus cleaning stairs and hard-to-reach areas is a breeze.
The Shark-powered lift away with Duo Clean has our advanced anti-allergen complete seal technology that locks in 99.99% of dust and allergens.
All with no loss of suction. Shark Brilliant.
The Kenmore Pet-Friendly Crossover Max is one of the most highly rated vacuums in its class. It's the perfect choice for those who want the ease of an upright and the versatility of a canister. With a push of a button, you can seamlessly transition from carpet to hardwood in seconds, without bending down. And a handy floor brush makes cleaning in tighter spaces a breeze. The lift-away canister helps you tackle those hard-to-reach areas around your home. A telescoping wand and variety of tools make light work of cleaning molding and drapery. Beyond the versatility, it's the power that makes the Crossover Max stand out from the rest. A dual motor and cyclonic action system with dirt compression technology create a strong suction that separates and traps dirt, hair, and debris. Stubborn pet hair is no match for the Pet Handymate's turbine power, which easily lifts pet hair from furniture. Plus, the convenience of a dustbin makes cleanup quick and easy. HEPA media exhaust filter and a washable pre-filter capture 99.97% of dust particles, including pollen, pet dander, mold, and bacteria, down to 0.3 micron. Amazing power, versatility, and convenience. The Kenmore Pet-Friendly Crossover Max. Kenmore, be amazing.
What a mess. You know, when I need to get down to business, I grab the Dirt Devil Reach Max. You know, the one that's versatile, multi-floor, and all those other marketing buzzwords. Yup, no cord. And no pants, so I can clean anywhere. This is what long-lasting, fresh-to-death lithium power looks like. Really, this bad boy lasts longer than I need it to.
And the Reach Max does some pretty bad tricks, like converting to a hand vac.
That's right. Same cordless vacuum. This time, with a sweet stair tool. Check out that pivot. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. So, gone are the days of disaster zones. Boom!
Hasta la vista, cobwebs.
Or driving around in a crummy car.
Who are you?
Who are you? And most importantly, adios Max. Because it's already gone, thanks to the Dirt Devil Reach Max.
I just do what I do. You see me? I just do what I do. I just do what I do. I don't know about...
The professional industrial line from Rigid features a variety of wet-dry vacs engineered specifically for the pro user. This powerful Rigid wet-dry vac has a two-stage 11.5 amp motor driving 2 blower wheels to optimize suction. Engineered with scroll noise reduction technology, the RV2600B controls airflow to reduce operating noise. The 16-gallon polypropylene drum provides durability, and its large drain makes emptying water easier. And the patented quick lock filter simply snaps on and off for easy cleaning, and it's great for everyday dirt and fine dust. The large carry handle makes it portable, but the cart handle and the large rear non-marring wheels make it easier to maneuver over thresholds, stairs, and terrain without leaving marks behind. The accessory bag stores your nozzles and tools, keeping them close at hand. Attach the 10-foot Premium Pro locking hose. It will not pull loose during use and won't crimp or collapse like competitor vac hoses. In fact, it's 4 times more durable than a standard hose. With one quick move, you can lock the hose into the blower port for added versatility. When the job is done, the extra long 25-foot power cord wraps neatly around the easy-to-carry handle. It comes with Rigid's industry-leading warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Power, performance, durability. Rigid.
그렇죠.